Isang kagandang araw mga ka-foodies. Ngayon ay titikman natin gaano makasarap yung Bird 700 na food sa Manila Beach Club Vacation ng Okada.
What's the difference? Ito.
Parang fried rice po. Tapos beef po yung meat.
Okay. That would be great.
One choice of meat po tayo. Mamimili po sa tatlo.
Okay. This one is fish. Okay. Fish, chicken, ano yung isa? Pork. Chicken na lang. And then lastly, thank you.
Bon appetit! Pero bago natin tikman, umuli muna tayo sa Manila Cove. So, pumasok kami sa Pearl Wing. Kaya, for the lakad ang mga person going to Manila Cove. At nasa center siya sa may escalator. So, ito yung binook namin, 1,600 na Manila Cove Beach Club Sunset Package. So, ito yung feels and ambience sa hapon. Medyo mainit pa rin. Pero somehow covered. And masarap namang tumambay at mag-lounge sa pool area nila. So, ito na yung food na kinuha natin kanina sa buffet area for the tasteless na ang mga person. Let's start with the chicken. Sobrang flavorful ng sauce. Kaya lang, siguro kanina pa siya nakaprep. Medyo gummy yung chicken. Although, dapat malambot siya at tender. Since chicken na yung kinuha ko. So, hindi natin naubos yung chicken. Yung rice nila na with beef, panalo, wagi. And yung kanilang macaroni salad, must try. And of course, meron din silang cookie na hindi ko na po nakikita. Sakto lang. This one yung lychee juice nila, panalo. And pasilip ko sa inyo yung ilang performances during our stay. Sulit yung bayad, although hindi lahat ng food masarap. So, yung lychee juice and then yung macaroni salad, waging-wagi. So, itong una ay mga dancers. Pero napaswerte kami kasi yung tapat namin, yung pala yung stage nung sa fire dancers. So, both sides may fire dancers and then dun sa gilid ng pool, yung lakadan, meron pa rin dong ibang performers and dancers. kanina na fire dancers and then may background song, live performance din yun. Kaya sulit na sulit. So nakatatlong sets siya during our stay.
I don't know how it happened. She took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. She said, you're wrong.
At syempre, ito ang sunset during our stay. Meron din silang laser dancer and yung nagpapantomime. Hindi ko na lang nakuna ng video. So, I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Open pa sila until June 2. So, check it out. That would be all. Ciao, ciao!
Crazy.